Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of never get soft ban problem on the application of Pokemon Go. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Pokemon Go. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you will update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.